Alright, here we have the E Street number 2 railroad crossing in Granite City, Illinois. This is on the Port Harbor Railroad. Down there's E Street number 1. It's pretty much this, but minus the... So here's the first signal. It has an LNW base. Western Colin Hayes gate mechanism. It's the emergency information. XACP, I don't know what the X stands for, but ACP is America's Central Port. And here's the dot number 928971E. The lights are Western Colin Hayes. 12 by 20. Some abandoned train cars. Not abandoned, but being stored. And there's some engines. This side, look at the lights. The bell is a GSE bell. Probably type 2. And we have Rico, I believe. LED gate lights. Maybe MG. Here's the track views. This is looking south, southwest, I believe. And this is north. They just have a bunch of spurs right here on this railroad. Now look here. Down there. Flangeways are kind of filled here, so there hasn't been a train. These two tracks for a while. Well, maybe this track has, but this one, with the engines parked on it, has not seen a train cross it in a while. Down here is the second signal. Those gate lights look very interesting. I'm not sure what those are. Get to that in a minute, I guess. We have a LNW base, Western Colin Hayes gate mechanism. Some more emergency information. The lights are Western Colin Hayes 12 by 20 inch lights with more Electrotech LEDs. Here's the weird gate lights. I think those might be Progress Rail gate lights. 5 tracks. I don't think that's accurate. Here's the cantilever here. I don't know why this is here, honestly. This doesn't even, like, go anywhere. This is completely... And I guess I understand the point, but I don't see any vehicles coming down here. But it's kind of neat, though. So we have a LNW cantilever. So... Electrotech LEDs. More of the same overhead. Progress rail bracket. There's a security camera up there, so I'm gonna get much closer. So yeah, this is the E Street Railroad crossing number 2, I believe, in Granite City, Illinois. Over and out.